my feeling is it's 10 by 10. I felt like amazing that I have designed this website by my own. I'm surprising for that time. Starting my journey in this program, it is very comfortable and easy for me to reach these sessions and implement them.
Hi everyone, meet Naresh. He's a digital nomad and he's from Andhra Pradesh. He successfully launched his business in just 2 weeks, starting our program. So now you are a freelanpreneur, a digital nomad. Congratulations, Naresh. You have done a great job.
Thank you, sir.
And you have also got, you started talking to clients. You started, prospecting in just 2 weeks, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, how is your experience so far, Naresh, being in this family?
Yes, sir. Being in this family, I started this journey with some doubt. Can I get through this or not? Will I succeeded in this or not? Because I am completely a different background student. Because I am not experienced, I have not experience in digital marketing. I am a civil engineering background, and I have some doubt before starting this program. But after going through the sessions, what you have given to us, it is very easy for us to understand point to point and implement them successfully. And it's very easy for us to succeed in this journey and start our own business idea.
Awesome. So now you have launched your business. Is that true? Are you?
Yes, sir.
Are you a digital nomad? Have you started it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have launched my business right now.
So now you're an entrepreneur, a digital nomad, a freelanpreneur. How do you feel? Can you believe this? In shortest time, you've done this. Now you're an entrepreneur.
Yes, sir. Now I am an entrepreneur. I am not able to believe that, but it's amazing for me to believe that.
Nice. So are you from a digital marketing background, or like what background are you from?
No, sir. I am not from a digital marketing background. I am from a civil engineering background.
Okay, so
completely different background.
Completely from engineer, civil engineer to digital marketing. When you started this, was it difficult? Like, was it easy for you? How was your experience?
Actually, it is not a difficult journey, but before starting, I felt that it will be difficult for me. But after starting my journey in this program, it is very comfortable and easy for me to reach these sessions and implement them.
Okay, nice. So what all skills have you learned in just 30 days?
In just 30 days, I have launched my business by getting through the mindset classes. What I have learned is the 20% skill set and 80% mindset. That is what we have to be to start any journey. Yeah. And I learned about how to design our website, how to prospect, how to reach to clients, how to get through them, and how to close them, and what are the closing secrets we have to adopt close a client, and these are all the skills I have learned. And how to write a copywriting. What is the difference between copywriting and content writing? What are the factors to be considered to write a copywriting, and what to follow? Copywriting. And if you are in,
and ads, Facebook ads.
Yes, majorly Facebook ads. Forget that.
So in just short time, in just 30 days, you have learned all of this.
Yes.
Yeah, like, do you have the confidence in these skills now? Like, do you have?
Yes, sir. I have that confidence so that I can implement these skills to develop more and more in this journey.
Awesome. So you have also developed your website, right?
Yes, sir. Developed my website.
You did your website. Look, how powerful was this 30 days? Yeah, how powerful on a scale of 1 to 10? How powerful was this 30 days?
My feeling is it's 10 by 10.
Okay, why?
Because I will consider only one point, that is website development. Because previously, before attempting these sessions, I will feel that this website development, all these are related to the software field.
Coding.
The software engineers, only they can develop these. But after coming to these sessions and going through how to develop our own website, I feel like we can do anything by following these simple steps. And it's easy for me to develop the website within. I developed my website within 5 to 1 week time itself by
Nice.
following these steps. I felt like amazing that I have designed this website by my own. I'm surprising for that time when I completed the website design.
Yes. And it is the same with all the skills.
Yes, it's I'm selling only the
One
example
example.
for the website. It is same for all the skills what I have learned in these 30 days.
True. So you know what the reality is, if someone goes and take a digital marketing MBA in any college, they will charge 3 to 4 lakhs or more. And the course digital marketing will be for 2 years. Even in 2 years, they will not know how to develop website. They will not know copywriting. They will not know Facebook ads. They will not know anything. They'll not have the mindset. They'll not know sales. But still, college is charging 6,
Lakhs
7,
of rupees.
yeah, 3, 4 huge lakhs of money. So if
They will
compared to
only focus on the grades.
yeah, grades. So we focus on the money. We focus on
Money and mindset. Majorly mindsets.
mindset.
I am
True.
impressed with that mindset, that conscious mind and subconscious mind.
So
What
now
have
you have
teach.
gone through the mindset. What is the difference that you are feeling personally?
Personally, I am feeling that before the starting, I am my mind is confined to this job only. Actually, present I'm working on in a small job. My mind is confined to that job only. But after getting through this journey, I have confidence on me that I can achieve something bigger than this
Hmm.
if we focus.
So is your personally what all have changed? The way you think, or what difference can you see? Not only the skill side, but personally, have what have changed?
Personally, by approaching the social media, mainly the approach to the social media is changed
That is
completely.
that is towards the skill side, but personally, because of the mindset, do you have confidence? Do do you like, is there any, what all have changed in personal and family life? Is there anything which changed?
In personal life, my confidence level is very low before starting journey, but now at present my confidence is very high because whatever I gone through these sessions, it gave me some boost up to me, so I can do this. That
Awesome.
confidence I got through this session. And about my family, they are always supportive for me to whatever I do. So it's
Great, great, awesome. Yeah. So if someone wants to join this program, what you had to say? Do you recommend them?
definitely I will recommend,
Then why will you recommend them?
because it's a platform where we can explore the new skills and implement them in our life so that we can succeed through these skills. It's a
Hmm.
simple logic.
Yeah, got it. And
I
when compared to your all your education so far, how different is this? And on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you want to compare the freelancepreneur movement and your traditional education?
So traditional education is it's always focusing about the marks, and the ranks, and the exams, all about this, and they will not teach about the how life is will be after getting out from the college, how we have to face the society. They won't teach the, these skills
Correct.
in the education background. But coming to this, how to set our mindset and how to build our own business and how to uh, reach the clients and how to convince them and and one thing I am very connected to is business is a sharing of our feelings, not selling our products. It's just a transfer of feelings.
Correct.
It's very impressive word.
Correct.
I'm well connected with that.
Awesome. So, out of all the skills you have learned, which is that like the top two skills that was world class, like very
One
powerful?
is the Facebook ads,
Mhm.
and the other one is the copywriting.
Awesome. Great. And what about sales and closing? Week 3.
Yes, sir. I've learned how the closing secrets are, and I've learned how to implement them and how to approach the client, how to get through them, and how to understand their problem, how to give them solution. All about it's very nice journey to start.
Awesome. Awesome. Amazing. Uh, so do attend weekly calls, do not miss. Okay. And
Yes,
then
sir. Sure.
you're graduating now. Take the upcoming sessions very, very seriously. Give all in. And all you need to do is you need to hit the goal. Now you have the skills, you have the ability, you have the knowledge, you have everything now. Now, if you want to keep moving forward, you need to set a goal and start hitting that goal. Five clients, 6 clients, 2 clients, 3 clients. Like you need to start hitting that goal. Okay, now your ultimate focus is to hit the goal. You have all the skills, and any doubt, the entire community will help you, and we will help you. Everyone are there. So you need to do whatever it takes to become successful. That should be your formula. Whatever it is, I will do it. No excuses. I'm going to do it. If you keep this formula, you will win.
Definitely, sir. I will.
Okay. So before I leave, what one word would you like to say for this program? World class, diamond, powerful, super powerful, bullshit, time waste of money. Uh, yeah. What one word do you want to say?
So world class.
World class. Okay, great. See you on the weekly calls and see you in the community. Bye.
Definitely, sir. Bye.